Insta360 ONE X2 review. Ever wondered why solo creators are obsessed? Last summer, I'm standing on a cliff in Iceland, wind howling, trying to film myself with a GoPro on a flimsy stick. Half my face is cut off, the horizon is crooked, and I look like a potato. I actually yelled at the ocean for ruining my shot. Ever felt like your camera is actively sabotaging your best moments? Drop your worst "I was right there" story below. Last summer, I'm standing on a cliff in Iceland, wind howling, trying to film myself with a GoPro on a flimsy stick. Half my face is cut off, the horizon is crooked, and I look like a potato. I actually yelled at the ocean for ruining my shot. Ever felt like your camera is actively sabotaging your best moments? Drop your worst "I was right there" story below.
That quiet rage when you finally get to the perfect location but spend the whole time fiddling with angles, missing the sunset because you're zoomed in too tight, or realizing later you filmed your own thumb for half the clip. You just want to be in the moment, not direct it. Imagine if you could capture everything and choose the perfect shot later, like having a film crew that never blinks.
Then I clipped the Insta360 ONE X2 to my backpack and everything changed. Dual lenses grab true 5.7K 360, so you literally can't miss. Reframe any angle in the app later. FlowState Stabilization makes running, biking, even swimming look like it's on a $2,000 gimbal. The invisible selfie stick effect deletes itself, giving you floating third-person drone shots with zero drone. Steadicam mode turns it into a boringly perfect normal action cam whenever you want. One travel vlogger I know was filming a chaotic night market in Bangkok. Crowds everywhere, impossible to frame. He just held the Insta360 ONE X2 overhead, walked through, and pulled out a cinematic masterpiece in 12 minutes of editing. That moment when you stop stressing and start living.
Here's what actually happens when it lives in your pocket. You film everything without thinking, your friends stop asking, "Who filmed this?" because it looks pro. Your edits take 10 minutes instead of 10 hours, and you get that smug, "I was literally there" feeling every time you post. Gerald Undone said it's the closest thing to having a second cameraman who never complains. Travel YouTubers call it their secret weapon for solo trips. One dad told me he finally got Christmas morning footage where he's actually in the video instead of behind the camera. His wife cried watching it. My own Iceland trip would have been 15 usable clips. With a normal camera, I came home with 87 keepers. People always say 360 editing is complicated. Then they use the app once and realize AI does 90% of the work. This is why thousands of solo creators are quietly addicted right now. Which would free you more? Never missing the shot or never needing a cameraman?
So imagine every adventure where you're fully present, camera rolling, knowing you've already nailed it from every angle. Join the travelers, vloggers, and families who already made Insta360 ONE X2 their "I can't believe this exists" gadget and never filmed the old way again. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure. Just click, grab yours, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you in the comments when your next video makes jaws drop. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your footage today.